Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty Aguntai. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how are we going to be preparing my meat pie. Yesterday I did the filling in live screen, so today guys I promised to do it on live screen, but unfortunately I'm very busy this morning, so I can't go live. Maybe I will be coming live in the evening, but I want to show you guys how I'm going to be mixing and also be baking my meat pie. So I just cleaned my hands, so my hands is already clean. So these are my ingredients. Here is 2 kg of all-purpose flour. So I have 1 kg of butter here. So here is about 500 milligram of water. So I just put 1 teaspoon of condensed milk inside. Is what you are seeing here. Over here is my baking powder. This is the baking powder which I'm going to be using. So I brought this baking powder from Nigeria last time I went to Nigeria. So the expiry date is 2020 October. So over here I have half teaspoon of salt. And here is my 4 eggs. Normally I use 3 eggs in my meat pie, but these eggs are very small, so that is what I'm going to be using 4. So let's start, guys. First of all, I'm just going to pour in my flour into the bowl. Then I will be adding my baking powder to it. So this is the teaspoon. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons. This is the second teaspoon. Then I will be adding my salt to it, half teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to mix it together. So the next stage now is to add my butter into it. Whenever you want to make your meat pie, whenever you want to bake your meat pie, always make sure that your butter is in room temperature. So I brought this butter out from the fridge yesterday night. So I just put it in my cutter, my kitchen cutter. So what I'm going to do now is just to continue to mix. So guys, it's after about 8 minutes. So this is it. As you can see. So what I'm going to be doing now is to add my eggs to it. So I will be adding the 4 eggs. So the eggs are 5. I kept 1 for later use because I need 1 at the end just to, give it that shine. To wash it before, going to the oven. So at this stage, since you already added your eggs, you need to be very careful with the mixture so that you don't over mix it. So now I'm going to be adding my water little by bits. So I will be adding it little by bits. Remember, we are trying not to overmix the dough. So guys, my dough is ready now. So what I'm going to do now is just to transfer it into a smaller bun. Then I'm going to put it in my fridge to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then before we start to cut it. So my dough have been resting for about 20 minutes now. So this is the dough. What I'm going to do now, before I start to knead, I'm just going to show you guys. So I'm also going to be kneading this. This is my meat pie cutter, which I'm going to be using to cut the meat pie. So I'm just going to lay this on my tray. This is my baking sheet. So now that everything is ready, we are going to start to knead. So before we start kneading, this is the meat pie filling we did yesterday on live screen. So this is it. As you can see, it's very nice and stretchable now. So guys, I just transfer everything to this surface. So I've just cleaned this surface. So we are going to be working on this surface. So let's start. This is our filling. So I'm going to demonstrate about 2 or 3 while I do the rest of camera. The essence of using the cutter is just to give it that shape, nothing else. So this is just press it down. So I'm just going to put it in my pan, in my tray. So this is the second one. Guys, at this point my oven is already preheated. So this is the two I've just done. So I'm going to do the rest off camera. Then when it's ready to go to the oven, then I will show you guys. So guys, my meat pie is about to go to the oven now. So this is it. So I have about 13 meat pie here. So what I'm going to do now is just to take, this is the egg I told you guys earlier, the one I said I kept for later. So this is it. So I just whip it with my fork. So what I'm going to do now is just to take the fork, then use it to, to put hope, just to give it a little bit of design. So before then I supposed to use my egg white just to brush it just this way. As you can see, I'm doing. So when it's done, it's going to give it that golden brown. So guys, now then when it's out from the oven, then I will show you guys. So guys, this is the finishing part. I just brought it out from the oven about 15 minutes ago. So I allow it to cook. So this is it inside. As you can see, it looks yummy, yummy, and yummy. Very tasty. So as I normally say at the end of my video, if you know you are hungry, my address is at the comment section. See you later. Bye bye.